Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to learn our unit number 6 and the first poem, class discussion, right? Students, do you know what is mean by discussion? Discussion means talking together in a group on a single topic. Many of time we see our teacher discuss with us many points in the school from our textbook. Also, we discuss many matters regarding your health, regarding your sports with your parents too. Okay, so here there is a poem class discussion in which teacher asks many questions to the children. But what happened? Some children respond nicely, but sometime one of the children wasn't replied properly. It kept always quiet, right? So here teacher asks the student, why you are keeping quiet always, right? Why you are silent like this? So let's see what is the actual poem is. And this poem is written by Grivas Finn. Okay, let's see in this picture, look how the students are sitting on the benches. They open their notebooks and books also, right? As you open your books and notebooks when you are in the school, right? Okay, so let's see, look at that poem on the next page. Okay, here is a teacher, and the teacher was asking some questions to the students. Look, in the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinions, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jen looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. Okay, so this is the whole poem. I will now explain you line by line, right? In the class discussion was going on, and one of the girl, Jen, teachers told that, Jen, you hardly said a word. Means she was always keeping her silence while discussion in the class. So teacher asked her, Jen, during class discussion you hardly said a word. Means she had nothing to say. Means Jane had nothing to say. So then teacher also replied that we all aired our opinions. Means we all put, air means we all put, we are also we all have our opinions. Okay, air means we share. Okay, we all share our opinions, but from you we barely heard. Barely means sometime or no time. Okay, so like this, so sometime only we heard one of the opinion from you, but other student always ready to express their views, right? But you are not. So like this, look at that. You sat and stared in a silence surrounded by the chatter, and you know, Jen, all the classroom was in chatting. Means they are making huge noise and chatter to everyone. But what about you? You only sat and stared in the classroom. Now tell me, Jen, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Now teacher asked to Jen that, hey Jen, what is the matter? Why you are not talking? Why you are keeping silence all the time? Like this. So this is the first stanza. Look, then what happened? Jen replied to the teacher. And how? Let's see. Jen looked up and then she spoke. Then when Jane heard that teacher was asking her questions, what is the matter, why you are keeping silence all the time, why you are not sharing your opinions, why you are not taking part in a class discussion. Then Jen looked up and she spoke. Her voice was clear and low, and as she was not talking for a long time, her voice was clear and low. Then she replied like this. Let's see. So, there are many people in the world who are rather quiet, you know. And she replied that, hey teacher, there are many people who are not talking continuously, not expresses, but they were successful. Did you know? Like this. Okay, I am one of them. I am one of them who talk less but do more work, like this. Okay, so this is all poem for you. I hope you understood it very well, and we will see question and answer in our next session. Right, students? Thank you.